Hey beauties! Ever wondered how to get that perfect glow for a special occasion? Today, I'm going to show you how to master the art of face highlighting. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need the right products. Grab your favorite highlighter, a good brush, and maybe even a beauty blender. I love using a fan brush for that precise application. Remember, the key here is to make your features pop without looking like a disco ball. Before applying any product, make sure your skin is prepped. Cleanse, moisturize, and prime. A good primer creates a smooth canvas and helps the highlighter last longer. Now, let's get to the fun part. Start with the high points of your face: your cheekbones, brow bones, the bridge of your nose, and your Cupid's bow. Lightly sweep the highlighter across these areas. Less is more, so start with a small amount and build up if needed. You can always add more, but it's harder to tone it down once it's on. For the cheekbones, use that fan brush I mentioned earlier. Apply the highlighter in a C shape from the brow bone to the top of the cheekbone. This gives a natural, lifted look. Don't forget the other side. Next, grab a smaller brush for the brow bones and the bridge of your nose. A little highlight here can make your eyes look more awake and your nose more defined. Just a tiny dab on the tip of your nose can create a cute, button-like effect. For the Cupid's bow, use your finger or a small brush. A touch of highlighter here makes your lips look fuller and more defined. And if you're feeling extra glam, you can also add a bit to the center of your chin. Blending is crucial. Use a damp beauty blender or a clean brush to blend out any harsh lines. The goal is to have a seamless glow, not visible streaks of product. If you're heading to a special event, consider layering a liquid highlighter under your powder highlighter for extra staying power. This combo gives a radiant, long-lasting finish. And there you have it. With these tips, you'll be the glowing star of any event. Remember, highlighting is all about enhancing your natural beauty. So don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more makeup tips. Stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.